Namaste, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And if you are new to my channel, then it's me Saneha and you are welcome to my channel Sneha Art Diary. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to share a festive makeup look for Diwali and Chhat Puja, which is a glam makeup look which can be held in any festival. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So here I have put up my earrings. Now for a moisturizer, I'm using a vaddi herbal moisterizing lotion for a normal skin. And in a required amount, I have taken it to my hand and I'm applying on my face and massaging it gently in upward direction for few minutes so that it will be absorbed on my face. So for my lip, I'm using a YC Lip Care Sun's Protecting Lip Balm and applying it into my lips so that my lips will get moisturized and it will be easy to apply lipstick. For primer, I'm using a Malio 24 karat gold primer for a combination skin and with my fingertip applying it onto my face. So while applying products onto the face, don't use a hard hand, use a soft hand for perfect result. So for hiding my pimple marks, I'm using a Huda Beauty Pop Conceal Green Corrector for hiding my pimple marks which are on my face, forehead and in the chin. And now with the given tip, I'll apply the corrector onto my face in the required area. To blend the corrector, I'm using my fingertip to blend perfectly the corrector and hiding my pimple marks. In a dab motion, blend the corrector perfectly to the face. For setting my corrector, I'm using your Fit Me Maybelline Matte Poreless Compackt. And with the given applicator, I'm using the Compackt onto the corrector. Now it's turn of foundation. For foundation, I'm using a Reziv liquid foundation SPF 25. So here in the required amount, I have taken it onto my hand and applying onto my face in a dot form. While applying the foundation, don't forget to apply the foundation on the neck area. Now for blending the foundation, I am using a beauty blender and in a dab motion, I am blending all the foundation on my face. So while blending the foundation, don't drop the blender. Use the blender in a dab motion and perfectly blend all the foundation onto your face. After blending the foundation, I am using a Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 02. Now I'll apply the concealer under my eyes, on the chin and on the highlighting point of the nose and the forehead. Now with the same beauty blender, I am blending all the concealer which I have applied on the highlight points of my face. Now for setting the concealer, I am using your Fit Me Maybelline Matte Poreless Compackt. And with the given applicator, I am setting the concealer. For my eyebrows, I am using your Miss 5 eyebrow gel and eyeliner. And here I am using a spoolie brush to comb my eyebrows and to remove all the stock products from my eyebrows. To shape my eyebrows, I am using mini star angle brush and with the Miss 5 eyebrow gel, I am shaping my eyebrows. After shaping my eyebrows, I am using the same spoolie brush and combing my eyebrows to give a perfect shape to my eyebrows. Now here I am using a Coco Venus eyeshadow palette. I am taking this nude color with a pencil brush and I'm applying it on the crease area. I'm blending it perfectly with a pencil brush, and it's done. And in the same way I'll apply it on my next eye and perfectly blend it, and it's done. And in the same way I am taking this matte brown color with the same pencil brush, and I'll apply in the same crease area and blend perfectly both the colors. And in the same way I will apply the same matte brown color on my next eyes and blend it perfectly, and here is done. And here with the same pencil brush I am taking this matte maroon color and apply it on my outer V and blend it perfectly. Blend both the colors perfectly, and here is done. In the same way I'll apply matte maroon color on the outer V of my next eye, and here is done. So to clean my inner V, I'm using here the earbuds, and with a makeup remover I'm cleaning my inner V, and here is done. And here I'm using a Swiss Beauty concealer with a flat brush and cutting my half cut crease from inner V. And in the same process I'll apply the same concealer to my next eye, and here is done. Here I'm using this 7 Cool Baked eyeshadow and a highlighter, and with a flat brush I'm applying it onto my inner V. In the same way I'll apply it on my next inner V. And here is for eyeliner I'm using here Javira waterproof eyeliner, and from the outer corner of my eye I'm applying the eyeliner, and here is done. In the same way I'll apply the same eyeliner on my next eye, and done. And for my lower eye, without taking any extra eyeshadow, I'm using the same pencil brush on my lower eye, and here is done. And for kajal I'm using this Olay waterproof kajal, and here I'm applying the kajal on my waterline. So in the same way I have applied the kajal in my both eyes, and the look you can see. For my eyelashes I'm using this eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes. And for the mascara I'm using here L'Oreal Paris Mega Volume Mascara, and I'll apply the mascara on my upper lashes. I'll use the same mascara on my lower lash. And here for the blush I'm using here Anyland eyeshadow palette, and the given blush in the eyeshadow palette I'm using it on my cheekbone. And in the same way I'll apply the blush on my next cheekbone, and here is done. And for the highlighter I'm using here Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petal. With the highlighting brush I'll apply the highlighter on my cheekbone, on the nose and the chin and the forehead, and also the side of the eyebrows. For the lipstick I'm using a Romantic Bod Rich Matte Lipstick in the shade 12. Here I'm filling my lip with the lipstick, and here I have applied the lipstick. And for setting my makeup I'm using a Swiss Beauty Makeup Fix Spray in the SPF 60. So here I'm spraying all over my face and neck. And for highlighting my neck I'm using here Gold Light and Gold Hydrate Fixer on my neck, so it will be highlighted. And now it's turn for hair. So I have decided to curl my hair. So here I'm using a curling machine for my hair. First of all I'll protect my hair from heat. So for protecting my hair I'm using here keratin olive oil heat protector. and it's spraying all over my hair. So here is done. And now I'm putting on my curly machine and this heat of 220. Before curling my hair, I'm removing all the triangles from my hair and parting my hair from side in two parts. So I have removed all the triangles from my hair and I'm ready to do curl. So let's start. I am tying my half of the hair in the up so that it will be easy for me to curl my hair. And the half of the hair I'll take in a little parting and curl my hair. And in 2 minutes my hair curl has been done. And now I'm opening my hair and see the curl has been done. In the same way I will do the curl to my all the hairs. If you are applying an iron, don't forget to apply a heat protector on your hair. It will protect hair from being damaged with heat. And here I have curled my half hair. I will open the upper hair and in the same way I will do the curl to my upper hair by parting little. So here I have curled my all the hairs and you can see to make my hair look more volume I am opening the curl. And for making this simple hairstyle, I am taking the front hair to the back and set it with a rose pin. So here is done. And for my neck, I am using a simple golden necklace. And for the lehenga, I am using a black and golden lehenga, which outer part is fully black and inner part is golden. And here I am wearing this black and golden lehenga. And for making my lehenga look more pretty, I am using this black dupatta with a golden border. And border of the dupatta I have kept in the front side so that it will create a beautiful look. And here is done. To set my dupatta, I'll use this safety pin so that it will not disturb us. Now in the same way, I will set my dupatta in the middle part and secure it with a safety pin. And the lower side of my dupatta, I will secure it on my lehenga. And here is done. And this is the final look of my lehenga dupatta draping. And this is the back look. I hope you like this. And this is the final festive look. I hope you like this video. If you do, then give a thumbs up to this video and also share this video with your friends and family members so that it will be helpful to them to create this look in their festive. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos and also press the bell icon near there for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Happy Diwali and Chhat Puja to all of you. Bye bye. Keep loving and supporting.